Hey everyone, welcome back. Are you getting hit with long repeated ads every single time you run out of hearts in Meowdoku with no way to just wait them out or earn hearts back passively? Here's exactly what's going on. This is how the current version of Meowdoku is designed. Hearts don't passively refill over time the way some puzzle games work, and watching an ad is currently the main way to continue after losing all three. Make sure to make the ad experience smoother. First, go to your settings app, then go to General and iPhone Storage. Scroll down to the list of apps, find Meowdoku, tap on it, then tap Offload app. Next, go to your app store and reinstall the app fresh from the app store, since outdated ad framework versions tend to serve longer or more repetitive apps. After reinstalling, go to your settings app again, then in general, go to software updates and confirm that your iOS is fully current, since ad networks frequently optimize for the newest iOS versions first. If you'd rather avoid the ad heavy heart system altogether for a session, simply retry the same puzzle from the start instead of counting, since restarting a level does not cost a heart the way a failed continue attempt does. So all you've got to do is offload and reinstall to get fresher, shorter ads, keeps your iOS updated, and restart a puzzle instead of continuing to skip the ad entirely, and that's it. Subscribe.